Our next guest says in the wake of the invasion of Ukraine, now China is a safe haven trade. Let's welcome Mark Mobius, Mobius Capital Partners, founding partner. Are you assuming anything about what China, what their stance is right now on the Russian invasion? Are you assuming political motivations there, Mark, or do you know something we don't, that they're not going to go into Taiwan?
No, I don't think they're going to make any move at this stage of the game, and probably going to play the middle ground as much as possible, and even try to be a peacemaker. As you know, recently they made a statement that Russia should talk to the Ukrainians and so forth. So I don't think that's going to happen at this stage of the game. But if things really begin to get worse in Ukraine and Russia takes over Ukraine, then the game will have changed. I think China's attitude may have changed. And if the West doesn't react soon enough, that will not be a good sign, I think.
How do you view China now? It's like a quasi-emerging market? Probably not. But there are some aspects, because most emerging markets I don't think you would recommend given the geopolitical backdrop. And those markets are down. Some of them, it's not a monolith. I guess there's some South American markets that are actually doing better. But how does it work? You look at all of them.
You look at all of them, and it's really interesting. It's a good point you made. Brazil is up. Of course, Saudi Arabia is up. No big surprise there. But a number of these markets, like Taiwan, Korea, and so forth, they're flat. They're not really reacting to this situation. And in the case of China, as you know, China's already down. So I would say that now is a good time to be looking at China, because they're lowering interest rates and they're trying their best to maintain a high growth rate. And of course, India's down, but not as much as the others, and it's outperforming. So it's a very mixed picture, and you have to pick and choose your game to see where's the best place to be. But I would say emerging markets still provide some degree of volatility, but also safe haven.
In the United States, at this point, you're what, neutral?
Yeah, I would be neutral at this stage. I mean, the S&P, it really does not look good. So I think we have to watch and wait to see how that pans out. But a big story for emerging markets, of course, is the U.S. dollar is strong. And countries that are exporting to the U.S., of course, benefit from this move. So it's very interesting to see how this is going to pan out.